Hello friends, welcome to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our seventh question. 5 cards. They are given that 5 cards. So 5 cards. In that, first one is the 10th number, the 10. And second, Jack. And third, what is that? Queen. And fourth will be King. And fifth will be Ace. So these are the 5 cards: 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace. So these are the things they are given. So we have to find first one, or well shuffled with their face onwards. One card is picked up at random. So first one. So what is our first one? So let's going to take our first one. What is that? First one will be, what is the probability that the card is the Queen? So probability of getting Queen. Probability of getting Queen here. So what is the total number of cards? So total number of cards will be 5. So number of queens. So let's going to take, this is total number of cards will be n of t. Then number of queens will be n of q. Let's going to take 1. So how many queens are there? Only one queen is there. So what is the probability? So probability of getting first one, probability, that is p of q, or whatever it is, n of q by n of t. So number of queens by total number of cards, 1 by 5. So 1 by 5. So this is the probability. Then what is our second one? So second one is, if the queen is drawn and put aside. So one queen is drawn from the four cards. So 5 cards minus 1 queen. So in that 5 card, so 4 cards are there. So 4 cards. So we taken out 1 queen from the total 5 cards. So what is the total number of cards now? 4 cards. What is the probability that the second card picked up? Second card picked up, that is an ace. So what is the probability of getting second card? So here 4 cards, how many 4 cards are there? What are the 4 cards? So one will be Jack, one will be 10, the 10, and King and Ace. So these are the 4 cards. So total number of cards now. So total number of cards are 4. Then number of aces, that is 1. Then what is the probability? So probability will be equal to probability of getting, what you can say, so number of aces by total cards. So number of aces will be 1. What is the total number of cards? Here 4. So 1 by 4. This is the probability for the getting of second card, that is ace. So in that, this is A. And what is a B? The B will be equal to, in second one, B, a queen. So actually there is no queen here. No queen existed. In 4 cards, no. So number of queens, let's going to write number of queens equal to 0. So number of queens are equal to 0. Then what you can write it here? Picked up a queen, the second card is an impossible event. So there is no cards, that is what you can say, probability. So number of queens by total cards. Total number of cards will be equal to number of queens 0 by 4, that is 0. So here we are getting probability 0, means this is an impossible event. So this is the case, an impossible event. So next one, what is our 8th one? Let's So let's going to start our 8th one. Next question. What is that? Here 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with the 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. One pen taken from randomly from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. So we have to find what is the probability of getting good one. Let's go into take number of defective pens. Number of defective pens equal to 12. Number of good pens. What you can write? Number of good pens. That is 132. So here mixed. So total number of pens. What is that? Total number of pens. Here mixed, right? Total number of pens, good ones plus defective ones. What value we are getting? So here 144 pens. 144 pens. So probability that good pen is number of good pens by total number of pens. So probability of getting good pens. Probability of getting good pens, that is probability of getting. Let's going to take here probability of good pens will be, so number of good pens G and defective N of D and total will be N of T. So probability of getting good pens P of G will be equal to probability of getting. So number of good pens by total number of pens. What is that number of good pens? Here 132 by 144. 132 by 144. You can calculate with the 2. 2 6 12, then 2 6 then 2 7 2 2. So what value we are getting again? 66 by 72. So we are getting here is 2 3 3 2 6 2 3 6 2 6 then 33 by 36. So what value you get? 11 1 2 so 11 by 12. So this is the probability of getting good pens. Again extra information we can take. So probability of getting defective pens, that will be equal to probability N of defective pens by total number of pens. They are not asked in a question, but try to find it. 12 by 144, 2 6 then 2 72 6 by 72. So 2 3 6, 2 3 6, 2 6 that is 3 by 36. 3 1 then 3 1 3 2 1 by 12. So this is the probability of getting defective pens. So this is the probability of getting defective pens. This is the way to find the solutions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.